The U.S. deploy 40,000 troops and 15,000 tanks, aircraft, missile near Russian border. NATO will concentrate 40,000 troops and 15,000 items of armament and military hardware near Russian borders, basically in the Black Sea and Baltic regions, Russia's defense minister, Army General Sergei Shoigu, said on Tuesday. Overall, 40,000 troops and 15,000 items of armament and military hardware, including strategic aircraft, will be concentrated near the Russian borders, the defense chief said. The American troops are now redeploying from continental North America to Europe through the Atlantic, Russia's defense minister, Army General Sergei Shoigu said.
Just waiting to hear back from you, sir.
The troops in Europe are moving towards Russian borders. The basic forces are being amassed in the Black Sea area and in the Baltic region, the defense chief said. As the Russian defense minister pointed out, U.S. force groupings are being reinforced in Poland and the Baltic states. The American 430s concept has been adopted and is being implemented, and the intensity of air reconnaissance has grown twofold, and naval reconnaissance by 50% compared to last year.